Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Lucy, my hair is becoming its own weather system.
That sounds serious.
I need a haircut, but phone calls make my English disappear.
Today we will learn simple English for booking a haircut appointment. We will ask for a time, ask the price, and understand the answer.
Good. I want useful phone English, not panic phone English.
Then start with the main sentence.
I want book haircut.
Good meaning. The correct sentence is, I want to book a haircut. On the phone, this next sentence sounds smoother. I would like to book a haircut.
I would like to book a haircut.
Book means make an appointment or reserve a time.
So book is not only a thing with pages.
Right, here. Book is an action.
Okay. I would like to book a haircut.
Now ask if they have a time today.
You have time this afternoon?
People understand but make it a full question. Do you have anything this afternoon?
Do you have anything this afternoon?
Anything here means any open appointment time.
Oh, not anything like scissors, coffee, chairs.
Correct. In this situation, anything means any time available.
Available. That word feels official.
Available means free or open. If 3 o'clock is available, you can go at 3.
Got it. Available means open.
Now ask the price.
Can I ask how much money?
Yes, people understand that. For a service price, the shorter natural question is this. How much is it?
How much is it?
How much is it means what is the price?
So how much money is okay, but how much is it sounds more natural.
Exactly. Shorter and smoother.
Good. I like shorter phone English.
Most people do. Next, choose a time.
I can go 3.
Add come at before the time. Can I come at 3?
Can I come at 3?
At 3 means at 3 o'clock.
In my first language, I might just say go 3.
That makes sense. In English, say come at 3 for this appointment.
Can I come at 3? Nice. Very adult.
Now, what if you need to change the time?
I change tomorrow?
Use move for changing an appointment time. Could I move it to tomorrow?
Could I move it to tomorrow?
Move it means change the appointment.
Not move the chair, move the appointment.
Exactly.
I can use this for dentist too?
Yes, haircut, dentist, doctor, English class. Very useful.
Okay, my hair and my dentist are both listening.
Let's hear the real phone call. Benji, I will be the receptionist.
Hi, I would like to book a haircut.
Sure. Do you want today or tomorrow?
Do you have anything this afternoon?
We have a spot at 3:30.
What does spot mean here?
It means an open appointment time.
Okay. How much is it?
It is $25.
Great. Can I come at 3:30?
Yes. Can I have your name?
Benji.
Perfect. See you at 3:30.
Thank you. See you then.
That was clear.
I understood we have a spot. That means there is an open time.
Exactly. That is a useful new sentence to understand. We have a spot at 3:30 means we can see you at 3:30.
Hair appointment unlocked.
Now, let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening.
Everyone listening, say this with me. I would like to book a haircut. Do you have anything this afternoon? How much is it? Can I come at 3? Could I move it to tomorrow?
Good. Now let's switch. Change the service. You can say, I would like to book a haircut, or I would like to book an appointment.
Everyone listening, say your own service now.
Nice. Now let's switch again. Choose a time. You can say, can I come at 2? Or can I come at 5:30?
Everyone listening, say your own time now.
Today we made one phone call feel smaller.
I can book a haircut, ask for a time, ask the price, and change the appointment.
Exactly. Simple English, but it gets the job done.
And now my hair has hope.
Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What appointment do you want to book in English, a haircut, a dentist visit, or an English class?
Tell us in the comments. I need to call the salon now.
We would love to read them and cheer for you. Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.